What's up, guys? Welcome back, man. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Eric, and this is my car, S550 Nitrous Mustang. And if you do know me, then you know what I got in it. Today I got my buddy in here today. There he is. Yeah, man, give it help me out. So he's got this 5.0 right here, very nice. We originally met because I did these tire letters for him, man, the hand cook. So I installed them, but we ended up hitting it off. We became friends, man, and well, we're Mustang owners stick with Mustang owners, right? It's just something about us, man. It's just something about us. But anyways, I'm here, man. I want to give a shout out to him. I really like his build, and I know he just got this carbon. No, it's not carbon. It's, what would you call this? Camel wrap, right? Here in LA, you know, they call it shadow. A dark shadow camel wrap, right? There you go. He just got that in there. I seen a post on Instagram he put it, and I was like really excited to see it. And I was like, you know what, might as well make a video out of it since I'm trying to hit this YouTube harder. So there it is. I know you just got some fresh tires, right?
I got some 315s.
Some 315s?
Yes, sir. 315s in the back, you know. You gotta hit up the spot. You're in LA, hit up the spot, Vargas Tires. They look good in Compton.
All right. Hey, that's really close to us.
Yeah.
So if you're ever around the harbor area, man, because I live in Carson, Compton is right down the street. So there you go, Vargas Tires, man. There's my buddy's Instagram name right there, Larios_52, and that should help you hook later,
yes,
right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Especially so. Let's see if we can do it. We'll go. And talking about that, we'll try to get it in. I mean, I know everything's going on, but if we have some time, we're gonna maybe get some fun runs in there, and let's just let these ponies out a little bit. But other than that, man, so tell me a little bit about your car, dude.
Well,
so
I've recently bought this car about like 3 years ago. I really wasn't planning to do a big deal on it, actually, because personally I don't live in a house. You know, I park outside in the street, so you know how people are sometimes, you know. But so far, the only thing I've done so far is I have an intake, a cool air intake, a BBK. I got it online with American Muscle.
nice.
If you're interested in buying any parts, go ahead and look up American Muscles as well. They're from American Muscle as well.
Nice.
You know, size 19s.
Oh, it even says American Muscle on there right there. Look. Oh no shit! I didn't even know they made their own wheels, dude.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Look at it right there.
There you go. And well, yeah, I bought these wheels once I got the car. You know, actually that was my first purchase on the car. About like 3 months into the car, and yeah, then my next step was I wanted to get my horsepower a little bit, you know, get it up
A little bit up. Yeah, hell yeah.
So I went ahead and I bought a Corsair intake for American Muscle as well. And believe it or not, you can actually tell the difference when you're from a stock intake to an actual Corsair intake.
It was tune required or just bolt-on?
Nah, bolt-on.
Bolt-on. So there you go, man. That's always pretty good to add for those of you who want a little bit more up there and you don't want to mess around with a tune yet and all that stuff. That's a good intake. I used to have that before I got my tune required one, and right away you definitely feel a good little power boost.
Yeah, sir, you feel the power. But yeah, then after that, my next step was getting my windows tinted. Actually, I got on my side mirror.
That why it wasn't a glass box, huh? You can chill in there.
Yeah, so I got 5% all around to my side doors and shit.
Even the front?
The front, I got 20%.
Nice.
Yeah, you really can't tell, or you can really can't see nothing in there. But yeah, that was probably the third thing I did. And I got that Coyote sticker right there.
Nothing.
You know?
Oh yeah, that's pretty sick, man.
Yeah.
How would someone get something like that?
Well, you can hit up my boy, your custom shop.
Oh, there it is, right there. Look.
Right here. Look at it. That's their IG. Hit him
Get
up.
some
If you're in
decals.
LA, Long Beach, any area, he'll help you out with the customized decals.
You think he ships too?
He can
For
ship.
people who are out of the state?
Yes, sir. They
Yeah.
can. Yeah, they can. So
There you
probably
go.
can work something out, you know.
Your custom shop LA right there. Look at that.
That's the place
You
to
up with
go.
a little sticker.
Yes, sir.
So as far as you kind of explained what you have in it now, what do you have in the near future? What's your next mod you want to do?
Hopefully, I'm trying to get a supercharger.
Nice.
Yeah,
Which one have you been looking at?
I'm looking at the Roush Stage 2.
Oh, the Roush Stage 2. All right.
Yes,
Pretty nice. Pretty nice.
But, you know, it's going to take a little bit more time.
Of course.
You know, because, you know, it's a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of money to
Yes,
keep
sir.
the hobby up.
Yes, sir. But it's coming.
There you
It's
go.
coming. And
All right.
for sure, I get in some, you know, one-on-one with my boy right here.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, woo!
Yeah,
You know?
man. So, man, yeah, that's pretty good, man.
Yes,
So there you
sir.
go, man. Like coming out here and having some fun with the Mustangs. I always like kind of, you know, getting out here, and I want to do it more. Kind of just branch out and hit up some of my friends and show you guys the build. That way you guys get ideas. And I know I have my Nitrous tank, NA, and all that stuff. So, you know, we're here to help. Make you get some ideas where to buy some stuff. Even, you know, people who are interested in decals, you know.
Yes,
You guys can get that. But other than that, man, that's our little car, little rundown. You guys already know what I have in my car. We're gonna go and take some pictures right now, maybe mess around a little bit, and hopefully we can get some good footage for you guys to see which it is, Gen 1 Coyote or Gen 2 Coyote. Right? So let's see, man. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Just go a little slower this time.
Fucking stop, dude.
Alright guys, so we got already our little pictures, we caught up, we talked, so now we're gonna head back home. But on the way home, we're gonna try to rip a little bit. He's NA, I'm gonna stay NA. I'm not shooting Nitrous on this one. That way we can both have some fun. Finished up a little bit. There was a highway patrol on the other side, which I don't think he was there for us, but you never know. So I'm glad that we just finished up. We're gonna go back home. I get off in literally half a mile, and let's get off these streets, man. Man, we just got home, man. Some good runs, man. You know what I'm thinking out of both of us, I think would benefit both of us, is if we put that 18 manifold in there. Because then we'll be able to hit up higher on those RPM gauges, more power up there. But you know what? Overall, it was some pretty good stuff, man.
Good runs, you know?
Good stuff. We kept up right on each other. And then towards about 5,000 RPMs, this one just started picking up and,
Yes, sir.
and started going, man. So, but like I said before, man, we're here to help each other out. We're here to make each other faster and have some fun along the way. As long as we get home every day and we're able to work on our cars and have fun, that's what matters, man. So you guys stay tuned, man, and catch me on the next one.